So, you're dreaming of studying abroad in 2026. You can already picture it: the new campus, the international friends, the incredible opportunities that await. It's an exciting, life-changing goal. But between that dream and your first day of class lies a journey filled with complex steps, tight deadlines, and one major hurdle that trips up countless aspiring students: the visa application. If you're starting to plan now, you're already ahead of the curve. But the path is long, and the stakes are incredibly high. This video is designed to be your comprehensive guide, your roadmap to navigate this process, saving you months of anxiety, and most importantly, helping you avoid a devastating visa rejection. Every year, a heartbreaking story unfolds. Thousands of bright, qualified students receive that coveted acceptance letter from their dream university. The initial celebration is euphoric, a culmination of years of hard work. But for many, that joy is short-lived. They get accepted into their program, but they fail at the final, most critical stage, the visa interview. Why does this happen? It's rarely about academic merit. It's about failing to convince a consular officer of your true intentions. Common pitfalls include disorganized financial documents that don't tell a clear story, a weak statement of purpose that sounds generic, or an interview where nerves get the best of you and your answers seem rehearsed or unconvincing. The university said yes, but the embassy said no. It's a scenario we are determined to help you avoid. In this guide, we are going to demystify the entire process. We'll walk you through the exact step-by-step strategy that successful applicants use to get their student visa approved, whether you're applying to the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or elsewhere. We will cover everything in exhaustive detail, from building a rock-solid financial portfolio to writing a compelling statement of purpose that tells your unique story. We'll even prepare you for the high-pressure environment of the visa interview, giving you the tools and confidence to answer any question thrown your way. Think of this as your personal masterclass in visa applications. Here's the fundamental truth you must understand. A student visa application is not just paperwork. It's a narrative. It's a case you are building to present to a highly trained consular officer. These officers are skilled at spotting inconsistencies and red flags. They've seen thousands of applications, and their primary job is to protect their country's immigration laws. When they review your file and speak to you in the interview, they are ultimately evaluating one single, overarching question, which breaks down into three critical parts. Are you a genuine student with clear intentions, proven financial ability, and a realistic plan for your future? Let's break that down. First, genuine student. Do your academic background and chosen course of study make sense? Is this a logical step in your educational journey? Second, financial ability. Can you, or your sponsors, comfortably afford your tuition and living expenses without resorting to unauthorized work? You must prove this with clear, legitimate evidence. And third, realistic plan. This is about your ties to your home country. You must convince the officer that you have strong reasons, family, career opportunities, property, to return home after you complete your studies. Your application must prove you are a student, not a potential immigrant. Every piece of advice in this video is designed to help you build a powerful case that answers these three questions with a resounding yes. If you follow these steps carefully, meticulously, and honestly, your approval chances will increase significantly. You'll transform from a hopeful applicant into a compelling candidate. This isn't about finding loopholes. It's about presenting your genuine story in the most professional and convincing way possible. So grab a notebook, silence your notifications, and get ready to take control of your future. The journey to your 2026 study abroad adventure starts right now. Let's begin. Step 1. Secure admission. Before anything else, you must receive an official admission letter or confirmation of enrollment. Make sure the course aligns with your academic background or career goals. A mismatch creates doubt. Step 2. Understand your country's visa requirements. This step is absolutely critical. Think of it as the official gateway to your study abroad journey. A single missed document or a misunderstood rule can lead to significant delays or even a heartbreaking visa rejection. So, let's get this right. The first thing to internalize is that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Each country has a unique set of immigration laws and visa requirements that can also vary based on your own nationality. For example, Canada's Student Direct Stream offers faster processing for students from certain countries, while the US F1 visa process involves a mandatory interview for most applicants. Let's break down some of the most common requirements. First, proof of funds. This isn't just about having money. It's about proving you have legitimate access to sufficient funds to cover your first year of tuition and living expenses. Some countries require these funds to be seasoned, meaning the money must be in your account for a specific period, like 28 days before you apply. Next, the visa interview. Countries like the USA use this to verify you are a genuine student. The visa officer wants to understand why you chose that specific course and university, and they need to be convinced that you intend to return to your home country after completing your studies. Your confidence and honesty here are key. Many countries also require biometrics. This is a standard security step where you provide your fingerprints and a photograph at a designated visa application center. It's a straightforward process used to confirm your identity. Other vital documents often include a compelling statement of purpose, a medical examination to ensure you meet health requirements, and academic transcripts. Now, for the most important rule, always, and I mean always, get your information directly from the official immigration website of the country you are applying to. This is your single source of truth. Never rely solely on advice from friends, agents, or outdated online forums. Information changes, and what worked for someone last year might not work for you today. Relying on hearsay is a gamble you can't afford to take. Step 3. Prepare proof of funds. This is one of the biggest reasons for rejection. You must clearly show tuition coverage, living expenses, source of funds. If funds are sponsored, include sponsor letter bank statements, proof of income. Clarity is critical. Step 4. Write a strong statement of purpose. Your SOP should explain why this course, why this country, how it connects to your future career, why you will return home. Avoid generic templates. Make it specific and logical. Step 5. Gather required documents. Typical documents include valid passport admission letter, financial documents, academic transcripts, English test results, TOEFL, IELTS, medical exam, if required. Organize everything clearly. Messy applications create doubt. Step 6. Pay visa fees and book appointment. Once documents are ready, complete your online application, pay the visa fee, book biometrics or interview. Double-check your form before submission. Small mistakes can delay or damage your application. Step 7. Prepare for the visa interview, if required. Common questions include, why this university? Who is funding your studies? What are your plans after graduation? Your answers must be clear, confident, consistent. Never contradict your documents. Step 8. Wait and track your application. Processing times vary. Avoid making travel bookings before approval. Monitor your email regularly. If approved, prepare for departure. If refused, review the refusal reasons carefully. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we close, remember, don't submit fake documents, don't rush the process, don't apply late, don't ignore inconsistencies. Preparation determines success. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into the student visa process. We've covered a lot, from securing your finances to acing that crucial interview. But we understand that knowing the steps is one thing, and executing them perfectly is another. The journey to studying abroad is filled with critical deadlines and detailed paperwork, and a single oversight can lead to unnecessary delays or even a heartbreaking rejection. Especially if you're planning for the 2026 intake, the time to start organizing is right now. Procrastination is the biggest enemy of a successful visa application. To ensure you navigate this complex path with confidence and clarity, we want to equip you with a powerful tool. If you're planning to apply in 2026 and want to avoid those common costly mistakes, we've created a free, comprehensive student visa checklist designed to be your personal guide. This isn't just a generic list, it's a strategic roadmap. Inside, we break down every single requirement into manageable tasks. We provide a detailed timeline so you know exactly what to do and when, from gathering your academic transcripts to preparing your proof of funds. We even include a mini guide on structuring your statement of purpose and a section that busts common myths, like the misconception that you need a specific massive lump sum sitting in your account for years. We clarify what immigration officers are looking for. Getting your hands on this invaluable resource is simple and completely free. All you need to do is message Visa on WhatsApp using the secure link you'll find in the description below this video. Once you send the message, our system will instantly deliver the checklist directly to you. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also guide you on the next steps. This includes how to best use the checklist, how to access further resources for specific problem areas like interview practice, and how you can get personalized support if you hit a roadblock. Think of it as your first step towards building a support system for your study abroad journey. We recently helped a student who was completely overwhelmed with documenting her family's financial history. Using the checklist's framework, she was able to organize her paperwork logically and present a clear, convincing case that led to her visa approval. Your dream of studying abroad is valid and achievable, and with the right preparation, you can make it a reality. This checklist is the first step. And if you found this video helpful and want to continue receiving clear, actionable advice, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We regularly post new content, from deep dives into specific university requirements to visa success strategies and interviews with students who have successfully made the journey. Your subscription helps us continue creating free, valuable content for aspiring students just like you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your path to success.